All right, so I've got a clean Gologin account here. Creating profiles manually is a real headache, especially when you need a bunch of them. I'm gonna try doing this faster with the MCP Gologin. I'm using Claude for desktop for this, but Cursor or any convenient AI client will work just as well. It figures out the right API call on its own. I'll just tell it what I want. Create 5 Mac profiles, name them test profile with numbers 1 to 5, and it's done. Let's refresh the page. There they are, all 5 are set up and ready to go. That just saved me a good amount of time. Now I need to organize them a bit. For one of my projects, I'll need these first 3. Let's add a group A tag so they're easy to find later. Perfect, the tags are on. Now I can filter by that tag at any time. Super handy when you've got a lot of profiles. All right, next up, to keep things really organized, I'll create a dedicated folder. Let's call it Bulk Operations Test, and I'll move the first 4 profiles into it. Folders are created and profiles are inside. Now the workspace is nice and clean, nothing is getting in the way. And this is one of the coolest parts. I need to scale up my work with a couple of these profiles. Instead of setting everything up from scratch, I'll just ask it to clone them. Let's take numbers 4 and 5. Give it a second. And there they are, the clones. Same settings, same fingerprints. Everything completely ready for work. So yeah, that's pretty much it. In just a couple of minutes, I've created, tagged, organized, and cloned a bunch of profiles without actually clicking around in the UI. For any large-scale work, this is just a must-have, a huge time saver.